Techprimelab presents Productivity Improvement Solution for Feeders. The assembly line worker places the empty bins in the supermarket. Next, the RFID scanners scan the tags on all the bins. Then a request is raised to refill the empty bins as seen on the store's dashboard. Then, tasks will be assigned to the feeder, which he can see on his tablet, and he starts picking up filled bins from storage areas. Then he starts delivering the collected items to the supermarkets, and also collects empty bins simultaneously, to deliver to the docks later. Now whenever a request is raised to refill bins from storage areas through RFID readers, a new task is assigned to the feeder. The feeder collects filled bins from the docks and starts delivering them to different storage areas as per his assigned task. Our smart and optimized algorithm will help the feeders to collect and deliver the bins in shortest possible way. This will in turn save the cost and delivery time, which will increase overall productivity for the production plant.